Hi friends, today I'm showing you this Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. This is a 4th generation Echo Dot recently launched by Amazon. This is a successor of Echo Dot version 3 and or the 3rd generation. So this comes in a good pack, but this time they actually changed the whole shape of the Echo Dot. Earlier it used to be like smaller scale, and this time they make it like a round. So in the packing they have given the adapter, the cable and the Echo Dot device with some instruction sheets. The adapter is not like the micro USB or something, but this is a 15-watt adapter and it have the knob, so this is very specific to the Alexa. So you can see that this is specific to Alexa. It's not like a micro USB or USB-C or something that you can use any other cable or the adapter. You have to use the same with the Alexa. So the thing is, so there are two ports. One is for the charge adapter and the other one is for your AUX cable. So I'm just removing the packing and showing you the port. So this looks like nice, better than before. This have a fabric on the top, and so 4 buttons: volume up and down, volume mute, and the the action button or the active button. And these are like 2 ports that I'm talking about. So one is for the electric and the other one is the aux cable, that if you want to connect this with another speaker to make it a stereo sound. It's pretty simple and straightforward to on this, and once you start this it will start connecting up. So I'm just connecting this adapter, showing you one more time that this is a 15-watt adapter and all the details here. And then in the 3rd generation Echo Dot, you will see the lights on the top. This time these lights are actually at the bottom of the 4th generation, like here. So this is like a status light, so change color with the different status of the device. So this is right now starting up. So I will show you the setup process. So this speaker can be set up by the Alexa app. So you have to download the latest Alexa app on your mobile or the device, and then you can connect this. So this have the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi, and it's connected through the Wi-Fi. So connecting with the Wi-Fi is required so that the Alexa can work properly. So once this is started, it will ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi or your Alexa app, and once you see like this thing pop up in the Alexa app, you can just start connecting it. So it's searching for the Wi-Fi, connecting with the Wi-Fi, adjusting for the Echo Dot, and finally it will set up the Echo Dot. So you can say Alexa and it will start doing work. You can connect other plugs and other things, ask things, search things, weather, and everything as the Alexa do. It's very similar to the 3rd generation in terms of sound.